So meanwhile, I am checking with what is the financial flow for this dropship item. So the major checkbox for this dropship is from the sales and order management. So this is for external, right? That's only the checkbox. And if item is purchasing from the suppliers, we need to provide the purchasing price. That's the one thing. And association. So here I'm checking what is the orchestration financial flow trading organization. Manage dropship financial flow. So what is the selling BU? US one, right? So for safety purpose, I'm giving two inventory organizations on this 7th close. So from this, so what is the trading organization? Let's go to here. So Chicago is there, but for our understanding, it's Chicago is not that, Seattle. That is Seattle. Seven plus. So product is defined. So what's the next? A price needs to be defined for this. So let's go to the pricing related. Order management, pricing administration. So once it is completed, there is one more setup we need to verify. That is, who is the procurement? Manage order management parameters. Who is the procurement and preparer for this dropship and back to back? Item is dropship item. Create a charge. And this is for 490. Allow the manual adjustments. Okay, that's 7 flush. So here you can see who is the preparer for this. Item validation is 00, fine. And the procurement preparer is Calvin Roth. Okay, fine. Yeah. So once it is completed, then we need to define, we need to run the collection plan data. Let's go to the global order promising. Once the collection plan data is completed, then we can create a sourcing rules. Let's click on the global order promising. From here, go to the collection plan data. You just collected for items only. Let's go to the ATP rules. So defining one dropship ATP. Availability to promising. Search. If collection is not completed, we cannot get this item. No, collection is not completed. So if you want to verify that, where we need to verify this collection, go to the supply chain planning, plan inputs. From the plan inputs, if you search your item, dropship, now it is completed. Now you can search. See, this is the process importance of this collection plan data. 002, the item is dropship item. Okay, ATP rules are defined. So what's the next? Sourcing rules needs to be defined. The sourcing this is for dropship, right? So already trade organization is asking. Can you please mute yourself? Dropship rule. Take this. This is the global. So this is buy from supplier. Supplier is, let's provide ABC something. Let's see consulting. So yes, 100%. Let's this is sand plus. So dropship rule is all defined. Let's provide this rule to the assignment 6. So go to the assignment sets. So what is that? A global, right? A global order promising. So there is a one more setup we need to verify from the manage admin profile. So this global order promising is assigning to or not. From here, the assignment level is item. Okay. So what is our item? Dropship item. Sourcing rule. The rule is dropship rule. Same. So here I'm just verifying that manage admin profile option level. Profile values. What is our source assignment sets? Global order promising. From here, global order promising. Yes, profile value is the global order promising. Now orchestration rules are defined, right? GOP. Then go to run for collections items. And Orchestration process objects, organization, and suppliers. That's okay. Let's submit. So parallelly, we need to run one more schedule program. So what is that schedule program? Refresh order promising server. Refresh order promising server. Refresh and start order promising server. So this is for transfer, this is for purchasing, right? That's requisitions on hand, fulfillment lines, ATP rules, sourcing, items, organization, and suppliers. Submit. Now, let's go to the order creation. So what is our expectation? The expectation is Seattle is the 001 is the trading organization. For this organization, supplier is the shipping agency, and if any 002 Atlanta or something will be there, they also be shipping the material to customer on behalf of Seattle. Because the US1 business unit, Seattle is the trading organization. Under trading organization, the supplier and Atlanta are third party supplying agencies are supplying the material to on behalf of this trading organization. Up to now, if you have any doubts, you can ask me here itself. This trading organization where we defined from dropship financial flow. Okay. Team, you are able to hear me, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Then once it is completed, then we can create the last program is senior order management. So in order management, if you enter your item, once the collection plans and every GOP collections are completed, when you are entering the item, it is always be in stock. In stock. Computer service rentals is the customer. Okay. Let's, is this completed or not? Yeah. Okay. Let's, what is the dropship item? As for the sourcing rule, like GOP, so item is always be in stock, right? You can see the checkbox. As for the GOP, the data is collected and the item is dropship. Let's enter for 10 quantity. The 490 comes from the pricing administration. So other than this, I'm not entering anything. I'm directly submitted this sales order. Submit. Once the submitted, the sales order is generated. And so after a minute, the processing will be started. This is the sales order number. Okay. The sales order is in processing. Let's go to the switch fulfillment view. From here, if the item is dropship, so we are getting one more orchestration number. One minute. Anyway, it will take 1 or 2 minutes. Let's refresh. If any errors will be there, the message type errors will come. Yeah, schedule is started. Let's refresh. Okay, procurement is started. You can see procure. This is a dropship. See, procurement is started. Okay, it is started, but let's verify this. Okay, go to the fulfillment lines. From fulfillment lines, you can see this is a drop shipment, right? You can see this is a drop shipment. Supplier is the ABC Consulting and requisition business unit is US1 business unit. This is the details you need to find out if the item is dropship item. Right.
If it's a multiple supplier means it's showing also there.
Yes. If the item is multiple, we are giving the ranking system.
So it's showing the supplier areas also, right? Or it will be dropped.
Yes. Okay. So on the sourcing itself, we are providing the first ranking system. As for the ranking system, we are communicated to the suppliers. If supplier maintaining the on-hand quantity, then we are, if supplier have a good stock, then we are going to proceeding for the same. Okay. This is what the variations you need to verify. So where is the purchase requisition number? From here, you cannot get this. Go to the supply orchestration. So requisition is created, right? Requisition is created. Into here. Associated. There is one more line here. Schedules. So we can find out this requisition number here itself here. This is the requisition number. Yeah. Let's copy this. So go to the procurement and processing this requisition to the purchase. Purchase orders. So from here, process requisition. Select. Oh, yes, we don't have procurement. Right, 1 minute. So this is the requisition number. Let's add to document builder. Okay, supplier is comes over here. Let's click on OK. Create. Okay, purchase order is created. Wait. So before going to the submitting this, I just want to verify what is the approval rules. Give me 1 minute. Go to the procurement, approval management, purchase document approvals. Select this, edit the rules. Where it is there, use one business unit anywhere there. This one PO approval. Okay, let's type this. So what is the condition? Add the condition. So procurement BU equals to procurement BU header equal to US1. Okay. So my action is auto approval. Auto approval. Okay. This is enabled. Save and deploy this. Okay. Then click on done. Cut. Let's go to here. I'm not changing anything. As for the quantity, as for everything, suppliers and everything will be there. Default ship to location. Let's verify this. Validate if it is asking default to ship to location. See here, description is dropship item. This is the requisition number. Default ship to location. Wait. From the schedules. The location is, you can see, computer service rentals. Computer service rentals. So directly delivering to from supplier to customer. You can see from here. Okay, computer. If you click on this, you can get complete address of the customer. Right. Let's submit. This is the purchase order.
Incoming voice call from Krisha.
This is not PO. This is PO. Okay. Let's wait for the approvals. Once the purchase order is approved, yeah, still it is pending approval. Approval information is currently unavailable. Try again later. Okay, it will take some time. Ship to, this is third party location. You can see here, this is third party location. As for the dropship, this information is comes from the dropship level. If anyone is created for this with the dropship or back-to-back related, thing will be there, right? Let's verify this. So requisition is created. So purchase order is still in the approval status. That is the reason status will be getting. It is not changed. From here, doesn't matter. If any dropship related setups or approvals will be there.
For the time being, you can enable that rule always apply, so it can.
Yeah, but same way, if we are providing the conditions, system is verifying the conditions.
Mhm.
Okay. Let's try with this also. First, system is verifying the conditions. If no conditions, then it will take for this next condition. Let's wait 1 or 2 minutes. If not approval, let's wait.
It's open status now.
Yes. Okay. This is the PO number. Let's. From here, what's the next level? Let's try. So awaiting shipping. Awaiting shipping. Okay, go to the supply chain execution. From supply chain execution. Here inventory management. Is the order number. Status. So why it is not comes over here?
Let's try in the receive expected shipments in the receipts.
That's 1 minute. What is the item quantity? 10, right? Yeah. Submit. So, yes.
In the dropship financial flow, you have provided that ASN
Yes.
United
So
States.
we are providing to directly shipping to the customer.
Yeah.
Now, if you go to here, so awaiting shipping is changed. This will be changed. Go to the schedule process. Let's track for the what are the things are going on back end. Go to the tools, schedule process. Yeah, it is shipped, right? Once it is completed, then the invoice can be in book. Not applicable for this because this is for supplier related, right? So invoice is started. Let's status will be awaiting bill. Okay. So if you want to run for this, schedule new process, import auto invoice. Port auto invoice. So store. US1 business unit. That number. Okay. See this. That is the. Yeah, waiting. Now you can run. Submit. So this is for complete dropship financial flow. If any doubts, you can ask me. Any doubts on this? So ASN can be the communication method from supplier to shipping. Still running. Execution report is generating. Yeah, it is completed. Let's verify this. So go to republish. So invoice is generated for this amount. Okay. So any doubts? Any doubts on this? So tomorrow I will show you for how we can return this material to the supplier and what is the RMA process and what is the ship only, what is the bill only. So this process tomorrow I will be completed on this. Yeah, thank you, team. If no doubts, I can wind up.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Sir, can you please upload this session in the
No,
drive?
no, 100% we will upload for that. I'll uploading for the some other sources, but don't have accesses for that. Yeah, let me, I'll inform to the channel. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.